Hi guys, Shuki Diskin here at CoolAutomation UK. In this video, we will look at the wired remote controller restrictions tab of the CoolAutomation professional platform. So basically we can see we have over here the user, the customer, the site, and the unit. So we can perform settings here for a specific unit. Then we can copy the settings if we like for other units as well on the system, so we don't need to perform all the settings on each unit again. So first of all, we have the ability here to enable or disable restrictions. If we enable restrictions, we have different choices. Whether to allow or not on off from the wired remote controller. So let's say they have on site, it's a Daikin system and they have a BRC remote controller. If we switch it off over here, the CoolAutomation device is connected in the system. When it sees a change from the remote controller, if it does not allow it, it will just revert it back. The same over here for mode settings, the same for set point change. Now, limiting the cool set point. That's an energy saving exercise where we can say, well, we don't want them to really cool it down to so low. Let's keep them to cool it down only to 23 degrees or any temperature you want. And the same for heating. Let's say we want to limit the heat to 23 degrees so they don't heat the room too much and just waste energy. Especially many times people enter the room and they put in a high temperature, they think it will heat the room faster like this, but then they forget to change it and it's waste of a lot of energy. So this will stop it from happening. And as we all know as engineers, when they raise the temperature higher, it does not make the system heat and the room any faster. All these settings, which we can copy to any of the other units, we can also schedule them. So we can add a schedule, and all the settings now, we can have them on a weekly schedule or on a calendar schedule. We can name it, so we can have a number of schedules, each one has its own name, and we can do all those settings on the schedule. And here, we decide what happens outside of scheduled times, whether we return to previous settings, or we allow all, or we keep the scheduled settings. So this is the wired remote controller restrictions page. Thank you for watching.